walking out of town, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my empty space. But I know someday I'll make it louder, feel, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one. If wanna feel alive outside, I can't find my fear.
Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone.
Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome.